Myntri Rangbah konrat ke Samla ula Plie ba ya kajing Iakop Kinglieng Banyngkong First Indian Sailing League haden Umiam Khwan haka balas sedang haka arpuhnya utarik batkut haka live huai tarik leber bala penlong da katenat tourism ke Khuborjylla ka Umiam Sailing Club bat ka NEHU Association of Yachting. Haka jingelang Plie ladon lang u Timothy di Shira Menteri ki kam tourism bat bon ngot ki he ki han sorkar bat ki reu shampang na ki wei pat kiri. Hakani kajing Iakop Kinglieng ki don khat sau tim ki ba kentup ya shispa prapo arngut ki nongeshim benta san pu prangut ki dei ki ba na pratli kiri ke perthai. Hakajing kran Plie Myntri Rangbah ulaya thu ba ka Khuborjylla kan sa sei borba ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthai hakani ka jilla daga ba pen bha bat penjana ya ki jing itnat jong kani ka jilla ban penlong ya ki breu na ki weipat ki jilla kari India bat na kiri ke perthai ban jaudut ban wan jungo ya ka Meghalaya bat ya ka Shillong. Hadu menta ulaong ngidang pen bha bat pen itnat dang khendiat ki jaka hakajilla. Hakini ki senam ban wan ka Meghalaya kan sa thaba haki ba bon ki than bat ki kendong kenshrot ki bana jengai na donbosco Shillong. Myntri Rangbah ula nyautang ni ki jing penok bha jong Lieutenant Colonel Alok Yadav bat uba Cyril VD Dingdo Chief Executive Officer Umiam Sailing Club ban penurlong ya kani ke jing Iakop Kinglieng haden Umiam Khwan. Ula batai ru ya ki jing temu babon baka sorkar ka don menta ban kentiu ya ki kam sport sa Meghalaya kamtam ke jing penkre ya ka National Games ka banlong ha Meghalaya haus nam arhajar arpuh nyau. Kiwei pat ki bakran hakani ka jingelang Plie kilong u Lieutenant Colonel Alok Yadav Cyril VD Dingdo Martin J Sangma Chairman Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation barka kong Brenda L Pakanten Director Tourism kala ya ka jingkran Khublei penwai.
Thank you, sir. And the first Indian we also would like to felicitate young navigators. Next we have Mrs. Samla Yadav, Director Uday for Sailors Foundation. We now call upon Mr. Sergey, Chairman of International Jury. Next we have Colonel Satish Kalwar, International Race Officer, Principal Race Officer of the League. And Commander M.L. Sharma, Chairman, Technical Committee.
Start very soon and maybe in 2 to 3 years time, so about 24 months to 36 months, right here we'll be having the Taj Spa and Resort, and while the sailing takes place, the tourists and the people can enjoy both the facilities of the resort as well as the beauty of the location, as well as the overall sport that's going to take place. So like that, we're ensuring that our overall capacity to be able to provide the facilities improves. We were not able to activate our airport, before 2018. But in 2018, when we came in, we made sure that connectivity must improve. And today we are happy that at least we have started certain flights from different parts of the country, though there is a bit of connectivity issue still. But we are happy that today the Shillong airport is functional. It's about 15 minutes drive from here. And you'll be happy to know that the expansion process of the airport is already on the way. And I expect that by 2027 September, the larger aircrafts and normal commercial aircrafts will be able to land straight here in Shillong, all the way from all the different metros that are there in the country. So that is going to be a major, major game changer for us. And while we do all of this, we also realize that we need to build up the base in terms of the human capacity and the ancillary sectors that are important for tourism and these kind of big events to happen. And we did not have this kind of capacity 8 years back, but here we are today, where we are able to host programs like these. I don't know if some of you are people who like music and especially rock music. We just had Def Leppard perform day before yesterday right here in Meghalaya. We'll be having Scorpions performing on 21st of April. We just had day before yesterday. So today we are having the first Indian Sailing League. We just started the first the Shillong International Film Festival was also launched about 2 days back, and we intend to have this on an annual basis. So you can see the dots that are appearing, and all of these dots are connected, and these dots are meant to create a larger picture of where we would like to see Meghalaya in the next 5 years, in the next 15 years, and in the next 50 years from now. And we're laying the foundations for that, and we're hoping that we'll be able to work with partners and take our state forward. You'll be happy to know that we'll be hosting the National Games next year. It's a really great moment for us and a great privilege, I should say. This will take place sometime in January, February 2027. And we are preparing very, very aggressively for that. You'll also be happy to know that apart from the sailing facilities that are here, we are also investing in the slalom course at Umiam village, where approximately 21 crores will be spent to build state-of-the-art course, a slalom course, where we are hoping that in 2036, when the Olympics takes place in India, we want to host the sailing and the slalom course and have the different river rafting and other activities right here in this place. So that's the kind of thought process and vision with which we are working. All of these activities we are hoping will lead to that point where 2036, these kind of activities, Meghalaya, especially this area, will lead the way, and we'll be able to host the Olympics activity here, as well as many, many more international events. So there's a lot of things happening, and I'm very happy to see that the overall capacity to make these things happen. You must understand that a lot of people would like to have these things, but it requires a lot of work at the grassroots level. It looks very simple when all the frames are up and the screen is up and program is up, but a lot of hard work goes behind the scenes to make these kind of things happen. And to have multiple programs having multiple things happening every now and then, which is really what we want, because we want tourists to come in and say, there was a Def Leppard concert yesterday. Tonight there is Russell Peters going to be performing today here in Shillong. And next month there's going to be, and today is the first Indian Sailing League is happening right here in Umiam. That's the kind of environment and activity we want. We want things to happen continuous basis, because that's when, for tourism, there is a continuous activity and an interest for people to come in, knowing that they'll be making their calendars and fixing their dates knowing that, well, this is coming up next month, this is coming up next month. And I think that's very important for us as a state and as a government and as a tourism sector to think in that line to make things happen. So having said that, I really would like to thank all of you for taking your time and coming and joining us here. I know it's for some of you it's a very, very far off location, but you took the trouble to come here and take care of things. I'm so happy that you've made your presence felt out here. And as Colonel Alok had just mentioned to you, that things may not be perfect, and we accept it. And if something goes wrong, and if Colonel Alok does not take care of you, then you can complain to me. I'll make sure I take action against him. So you have got one more kind of level that you can complain to. But having said that, I'm sure that will not be necessary. I'm sure he will do things better than most of you can expect. But we do look forward to suggestions from you. We want to make this the league better and better in the years to come. We don't intend to stop, midway, halfway. We want to make this a calendar event. We want to see that more and more people participate. And we'd like to see that this becomes, a national and international event in the years to come, so that people can actually plan and be here for leagues like this. So I really look forward to that. Once again, I thank all the teams that are participating. I thank all the sailors who are here. I'm so happy to see that there are youngsters from Meghalaya also. So I wish all of you the very best. Of course, I've got some soft corner for my own kids. So yeah, I wish the Meghalaya team also the very best. But my best wishes to all of you, and may the best team win. Whatever support is required to make this program even better in the days to come, let me assure you that as a government, we are right there with you to support you in every possible way to make this particular league, as well as the leagues in the future, world class in the days to come. So once again, I wish all of you the very best, and also take this opportunity to declare the first Indian Sailing League as open.